Continuation of the HOC, like in as I said, like in the share to share common functionality between components. What it is going to be happen, like in it is taking a new component and a header component and original component, right? That is the original component. Let me do the wrapped component and the example, then you can understand, guys. And let me do it in the one like yeah. So here I want to go here. So we have the users list and stock list, right? And I want to share, there is a share common functionality between two components, right? So here I want to create the name called HOC dot tsx, correct? In this HOC TS component, what I have to do, or otherwise you want to create a new component or update component, whatever it may be, it doesn't matter. Okay, just I want to create in boilerplate code, or rather than boilerplate code, I want to create in different way. Let me see in how I'm going to create, guys. Put React from React. Okay, import React from React in, and then what I have to do, like in type, okay, props, sorry, type props, empty props, and then type state equal to empty state. Right now I'm keeping just an empty state. I don't want to disturb the I will explain you later what I have to do. Okay, constant, okay, enhanced, or whatever name you want to be, wrapped component or enhanced or update component, what name you want to be. But in here, meaningful enhanced component, like in the official document, how HOC the React in official document is there in enhanced component. Just I'm making the same way. So here I want to take the wrapped component. Okay, wrapped component, wrapped component, wrapped component, and just I want to give it any over here, and then the arrow function. Okay, in this one I have the, now I want to the class the new component, right? The new component, the wrapped component, wrapped new component. I want to keep it the name like this, wrapped new component. Okay, wrapped new component, wrap new component, and extends react dot component, react dot component, and here props, correct? Props. Let me copy then, control C, props, comma, state as well, state, props and state. Okay, both of them. That's pretty much of it. Inside, just I want to, okay, later I want to do later. And first I want to do render, right? There is a render function, and then in this render we have the return, right? Return. In this return, what I have to do, just I want to call the here wrapped component. I want to call the wrapped component. Here I want to pass as a props. All the, what is the state and props, everything is coming under the props. Okay, this is the wrapped component. And then what I have to do, and then here this one is certified after render, and after the class component, what I have to do here, return. Okay, return. What I have to return? What I have to return? This wrap new component. Okay, wrapped new component. That's pretty much of it, guys. Just like in export default enhanced component. So sorry. See here. So here, what is the main goal? Like in here, the HOC, how it is taking an enhanced component, and it is taking as in one more argument, like in a wrapped component. In this wrapped component, it has passed the props over here, and there is a new component extends with the React component, and it is giving the render and return the that new component and return the wrapped new component, and this is the enhanced component is the normal one. So high order component, how it is coming normally. So here I want to, guys, like in react.memo, how it is working like in high order component, right? The same, I already explained that. Just the same way, like in I want to call it the enhanced component. Okay, in this enhanced component, there is a stock list. Enhanced component, there is a stock list. I want to save this one and go to users list. I want to add it in the same. Okay, enhanced component, right? Enhanced component. Over here, user list. Okay, so what is the shared functionality between this component and stock list component? So this is the state is the shared component, right? There is a state is the same thing is there, and the table row also is there, but I don't want to disturb the table row. First of all, I want to do the this part. I can go to HOC TSX, and what I have to do here, stocks, okay, array, comma, users array. So in before that, what I have to do, constant, okay, just I will go here and I will cut this particular piece of thing. Okay, let me cut this. Let me cut this. I don't want to state anymore. Okay, let it be. Okay, say okay, I don't want to do that. I don't want to disturb that. Constant. Okay, control V. So rather than, okay, this is the part one. Let me format the document using prettier. Okay, and then next, constant users, right? Users equal to what is the users over here? Just cut this part and go HOC and paste it here. I want to unnecessary code. Okay, format the code now. Okay, save it. So now the stocks is coming and users are coming, right? Users data and stock data both is coming. And what I have to do here in the inside of render before rendering as simple, like in how it is like in I want to take it this particular same piece of code, control C, okay, control C, and go here, control P. Okay, I have constructor, props, everything is with me here. What I have to do, state accept the stocks and users, right? So here stocks colon stocks, here let me keep it the name little bit change, like in data, stocks data, and users data, right? Users data, so stocks, and here I want to call the stocks data directly, okay, comma, okay, users, okay, users colon users data, right? So I got it in users data, stocks data. So there are two things in an enhanced and wrapped new component and control S. That's pretty much of it. I want to pass as in, as I said, in wrapped component, just in this wrapped component accepts the props, right? In these props, I want to call it in inside of the stocks list and users list. That's the magic of the, that I'm going to share the data. Okay, so here like in yeah, stocks equal to um over here, just this dot data, this dot this dot state, right? State dot stocks, the first one, and the first prop and next prop is users, right? Users equal to this dot state dot users, correct? So that's pretty much of it. Let me format the document. That's it. And Control S. Okay, even if you want to cut it in down and like this, yeah, but down it's good. So here, see, so we have the stocks we have and the users we have, all the data we have. So I remove the data from the stocks list, and here this dot state which is not required. Let me remove this part, and table row and state dot, okay, stocks, and which are not required. Just we have, what I have to do, just I want to go here, and what I have to do simply, like in stock list, stock data, what I want to use it in, see here directly I'm using the stocks, already it is their stocks, and just I want to give it the this dot state dot stocks is coming up. So no need to do anything else. That's pretty much of it, I think so. Just I want to save, and users list I want to remove this part. Okay, so that's pretty much of it. So I think it should work now in the enhanced component. This is the high order component, and the stock list also we have the high order component, and then in this high order component, like in stocks the data is there, stocks and users are there, and then I called it in the both of them as in wrapped component in the props. So over here I think this one as taking as in a props, not this state, I think so, sorry. Like in I want to remove this part here, this dot stocks, and I want to keep it in down the props, right? And the state is not no more. I don't want to use the state in over here. The props, this dot props dot stocks, this dot props dot stocks, right? So the stocks is coming in the inside of the props. Am I correct? So here in the users list, like in here, the users, I want to keep it the users inside of that, and I want to remove this part which is not required, and the state I want to remove it. Rather than state, I want to keep it the props, right? This dot props dot users, I'm sorry, here this dot props dot users. That's pretty much of it, guys. I think in HOC is coming up in as expected. Let me see the browser now. So to go here, see here, it's working as expected. Like in stock ID, stock name, Apple and John. Okay, let me change the name and we'll see. Like in stock list, not stock list, like in here, in this one, HOC, I want to change it, and rather than Microsoft, I want to keep it the Optas. Here, like, and I want to keep it the VVT Tech. Okay, VVT Tech, and I want to save, and we'll see in stock list data is will go to change now. See here. So let me refresh it. See, VVT Tech and Aptas and John and David. See, is the component, the state component, the state is sharing in between both of them, right? Like in using the HOC and shared in between. So the whole state I removed it. The state is coming as a prop. The data is coming at this dot props. That props is coming up in HOC. Like in here, as I said, here I passed it in data. Like in no need to use it two times of the data. All the data is I'm using in only one component, that is the HOC. HOC is handle the shared the code in between two components. That's pretty much of it, guys. I hope you understand something else in here. Okay, that's okay. I will come up with another video. See you guys. Bye bye.